What's up?
What's up?
That's bad. That's bad. What's up?
What's up?
That's even worse. Anyway, what you saying, guys? Hope you're well. So yeah, today, I'm gonna be a chef. Gonna make a chicken soup. Might show you guys as well. Very quick and easy way. So yeah, let's crack on. So yeah, this is all you need. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna make it in this cooker. So yeah, let's go. All right, let me turn on the fire and put a little bit of oil. And let it heat a bit, let it heat a bit, and then we'll put some seeds, what is it called? Some cumin seed. Yeah, because I like the taste of cumin seed, So let it heat a bit, and then, alright guys, so this is hot, yeah, the smoke is coming now. So yeah, I'm gonna put a bit of a cumin seed, I just put a little bit of a cumin seed. Well, I mean, if you don't want to, just avoid it. But I like the taste, So that's why I put a little bit of cumin seed, and it's healthy as well, if you know what I'm saying. So, yep. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put potato. So yeah, now I'm gonna put potatoes. Cut into small pieces, so that it will melt easily. Rather than big chunks, it takes time, with the big chunks. So I call it small piece, So yeah, it's time for potato now. So yeah, just fry a little bit, After that, if you want, you can put salt, a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Now I'm gonna top it up later, but and then just stir it, fry a little bit, Yeah, so the reason I put potato is it makes soup thick in it. So I like thick soup, man, not them watery soup, if you know what I'm saying. So let's see how it comes out later. Right now I can't say anything. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, so now this is done. So yeah, now I'm gonna put onion, and then just stir it, stir a little bit. That will do. Now what I'm gonna do is, so yeah, now I'm gonna put garlic and ginger, but first I need to make it, I need to mince this, so yeah, I'm gonna mince it with this stone. What does it call in English? I'm not too sure what it's called in English name. So stone, made of stone, grindstone. There is one, the flat stone, but this one is, I'm not too sure what it's called in English word, man. But yeah, probably stone, in a grindstone, something. But yeah, gonna mince the garlic and ginger with this. So this is like old times ones, isn't it? Now you got all this machine, you know. I like it this way, man. It's fresh, you know. So yeah, that's done. So yeah, this is done. So yeah, now it's time to put ginger and garlic and ginger. I like the smell of this, man, you know, garlic and ginger. Man, this is healthy shit, you know. Oh yeah, now it's time to put chicken. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put a chicken now. So, you know, chicken. Just stir it. Let all the ingredients mix it. Well, I haven't put any ingredients anyway, you know. I mean, in terms of salt, you know, them ones, masala, you know, how we say, seasoning powder, and all that shit. So now what I'm gonna do is, now it's time to put that shit. Put a bit of a salt, maybe one and a half scoop, you know, and then turmeric. Bit of seasoning powder, a bit of a powder, so I'll just stir it. Cause you're not frying it, you get me, like you're just making a soup, so while you're making soup, you don't need to fry too much, you know. Because mostly it's a boiled one, isn't it? So yeah, done. Let me show you how it looks. So yeah, right now this is how it looks. Get in there, get in there. Yeah, just a little bit cooked, you know. Let it fry a little bit. After that, I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredients, and that is tomato, chili, and what else? What else? Well, we'll see in a bit. So yeah, this is it. This is almost done. Time to put tomato. Tomato, mate, tomato. Time to put tomato. And just and chili. Yeah, chili goes in. And then just stir it. This is how it looks at the moment. So I'm going to put a little bit of coriander as well. So at the moment, this is how it looks. So at the moment, that's how it looks. Yummy? I don't know. You tell me. Well, if it's not, it's not, innit? Well, it's the final touch now. A little bit salt, because you're making a soup, you know, you're gonna put a lot of water, so you need to top up with salt. This is like a final touch. And we got this masala here, this powder, meat masala. Yeah, just a bit of it, and then stir it, and then you're gonna add water after that. Yeah, now it's time for water, because you are making soup obviously, so you know, water time. Just how much soup you want, you know, just pour it in it. Yeah, that will do for me. What I will do is I will add tomato puree, you know. So now I'm gonna put a bit of tomato puree. Well, this will do nothing, you know, just a bit of a color, you know. It's an alternative of tomato. If you don't have tomato, then you can use this one, you know. But for me, you know, I just put just for the color, if you know what I'm saying. You know, a bit of a blood color, cause I'm a vamp. Now just for the color, innit, I put. So yeah, there you go. And stir it a bit. Chicken cube, you know, don't miss chicken cube, you know. But just put one, you know, just put one chicken cube. So yeah, let me show you how it looks, and then yeah, I'm gonna cover it and let it whistle for some time, you know. Maybe I don't know, maybe it depends. 12 to 15 whistle maybe, you know. Okay, so let me show you how it looks, then I'm gonna cover it and let it whistle for about about 12 to 15 whistle maybe. It depends. So yeah, this is how it looks now. I know it's a soup anyway, what do you expect, but still. So yeah, that's how it looks. Well, it's a soup, what do you expect, you know. It's healthy, you know. If you want to lose weight, you know, soup are the best, you know. So yeah, so now I'm gonna cover it with the lid. And then I'm gonna let it whistle for about 12 to 15 whistle. I think that will do, you know. It depends, like I said, it depends, you know, like if you want your chicken to be more softer, not soft but softer, then let it whistle about 20, you know. But yeah, let's see, you know. I'm gonna let it whistle for about 12 to 15 whistle, you know, like, you know what I'm saying. So so yeah, let's wait now. It's all waiting game now, you know. So and yeah, that's it, and soup is done, you know. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so you know, I gave a solid 12-13 whistle, you know. So let's find out how it looks. Oh, it's done. Alright guys, so you know, I gave solid 12-13 whistle, you know. So let's find out how it looks now, shall we? Alright. Alright, this is how it looks. Since the soup got a bit dry, so I'll add a bit water, you know, there. So this is it. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna add a bit of a coriander, just the final touch. And bit of a lemon, well, if you like the taste of lemon, you know. So a bit of a lemon, bit of a coriander, and that's it. Gonna add water, and that's it, done. I'm gonna add the water, you know, a little bit, because the soup just went dry in it a bit. I want a bit more soup. So yeah, that will do. And that's it. Done and dusted. Yep. Soup, chicken soup is ready. Alright, so let me put in a bowl, right? And then the moment of truth in it. Yeah, let's find out how it tastes. I hope it tastes good, man, because I really want to have a chicken soup right now, you know. Smells nice. Yeah, it smells nice, obviously, you know. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna put it in a bowl and then I'm gonna test it and let you guys know. So the moment of truth. Hope it tastes good, man, you know, because I do want to have chicken soup, you know. That's why I made it, and as well as I shown it to you guys as well. So you know, if it doesn't taste well, damn. But the moment of truth is here. Let me put it in a bowl and let's find out. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is it. This is how it looks. Yeah, it's a soup, man. What do you expect? So now let's see how it tastes in it. Alright, the moment of truth, lads. This is the soupy way. Yep, 100%, man. 100%. Oh yeah. I add a bit of a salt as well, you know, cause salt game is very funny in it. Sometimes you put more, sometimes you put less, you know. It's an unknown game, you know, with the salt. So I put a little bit salt as well, because salt was a bit less. Overall, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect, mate. The soupy way is good. Healthy, you know, if you want to lose weight, this is the way, mate. Perfect. Love it. You know what I'm saying? Where's the, you know, the whistle thing, right? Because this is soft chicken, so I gave a bit of a 12 of that in whistle. There's two type of chicken in it, hard and soft chicken. So this one, the one I made, is soft chicken. The hard one, I think you might need more whistle, you know, about 20 maybe, to make the chicken a bit softer, you know. Whereas this one is okay. 12 in whistle is perfect. Look at the chicken, it's soft already. You get me? Look, it's soft already. Oh, that is nice. Perfect, perfectly balanced. The potato makes a potato. That's how I speak. I'm sorry. The potato. Yeah, the potato makes it a bit more tastier. You know. You see, the soup is a bit thick. It's a bit thick, and it's pretty good. Yeah, boy. This is it. You know. It is yummy, not gonna lie, you know. It is yummy, I'm telling you. So yeah, this is a soft chicken, so you know, the meat is more tender, you know, so you don't have to give a lot of whistle. Whereas the hard chicken, you know, it's hard in it, so the meat is a bit tough, you know, so you have to let it cook a bit more, you know. You have to give them a bit more whistle to make the meat more tender, you know. Whereas soft, it's opposite, innit? Well, I mean, you guys are smart enough to know these things, innit? So I don't need to explain all these things. So yeah, now I'm gonna show up all this soup. It's brilliant, it's good, it's good. This, I ain't lying, you know, not gonna lie, but this is good. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this now, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm hungry, man, you know. I don't know how today I feel like having soup, man, so much. I'm gonna slurp the soup. But people doesn't like this though, you know, don't do it outside. But that's the way, you know, how you eat soup, you know. But anyway, everyone's got their own mentality. Yeah, this is it, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. I love you all, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.